Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the die-cast double grill pan is clean, dry, and evenly seasoned. This prevents sticking and ensures heat transfer. Once confirmed, set your burner to medium-high so the mass heats gradually. Aim for about 190 degrees 200 degrees C and wait 5-7 minutes for the whole surface to stabilize. Make sure you oil the food lightly, not the pan. That reduces flare-ups and builds the sear. Then place the first piece down with tongs, pressing gently to contact the ridges for immediate grill marks. Once your first sear is established, manage heat and spacing. Do not crowd the pan because thermal mass needs airflow to maintain even temperature. You can use a lid or gentle press for 30-60 seconds to deepen the sear, then release and rotate pieces for crosshatch marks. That distributes heat and caramelization. After the initial char, lower the flame to medium so thicker items cook through without burning the exterior. Use an instant-read thermometer for precision. Make sure you match timing to thickness, not just color. To finish, remove food and let it rest 3-5 minutes so juices redistribute. This yields juicier results. Then cool the die-cast pan gradually off heat, wipe excess oil with paper, and clean with warm water. Avoid harsh scrubbing that strips seasoning. If food stuck, don't panic. Reheat the pan briefly, add 1/2 tsp oil, and use a wooden spatula to lift stuck bits. For stubborn residue, deglaze with a splash of water or vinegar and scrape gently. Make sure to re-oil lightly before storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.